Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So for today, we have a fun game and it's called Skee-Ball Basketball. The only items you're going to need are a plastic bag, cardboard box, 8 water bottles, some tape, and a wall. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys stay tuned and get ready for the activity. Alright, so as you can see behind me, I have my Skee-Ball Basketball court right here. I'm going to have 8 water bottles. Okay, I'm going to have my cardboard box, that's going to be my backboard, some plastic tape, something to hang on, painter's tape, make sure it's painter's tape, and always ask a parent prior to doing it. I don't want your walls to get messed up, so please make sure you ask a parent, or you use blue painter's tape, and we're going to need a ping pong ball, okay? If you have a bouncy ball, anything that you could toss into here that is safe, you can toss in here and make it in here. Good try. Oh, 100. Oh, almost got that. All right, say hi. Hi, Zeke. All right, Ezekiel's gonna shoot. Here's your ball. As you notice, we lowered it down to the floor. Go ahead and shoot. All right, bounce. That's 1. Oh, that's 2. That's 3. Oh, close. That's 4. Here. Last 1. Oh, and he tried his best, and he had fun. All right, I'm gonna go and do my 5 shots. Hopefully I get something good. So let's go and get started. 5 feet from my backboard, and I'm gonna go and shoot 1. I missed it. Oh, got 100 there. All right, so out of my 5 shots, I got 100. Simple thing to do with the water bottle cap, roll it over, get your ball back, hand it to the next person. They're gonna go. Your job is to be competitive if you want, or just see how many points each of you guys can get into your shot. So, hope you guys enjoyed the game, Skee-Ball Basketball.